Once all the necessary things are filled, it is time to start the process of cleaning. Remove the foil from the funnel. If you do not use it, wipe the funnel as clean as possible with a cloth. Add a certain amount of the solvent into the funnel in order to facilitate the desired process. Oh yes, and also important, put the machine on flush. Flush the pump one time. The engine operates for as long as you maintain pressure on the button. Add a larger quantity of solvent into the funnel in order to increase the volume and ensure proper extraction of the substances being processed. Utilize a brush to clean the brass filler nipple thoroughly. This action helps in preventing the accumulation of old paint residues. This is crucial for the proper fitting of your spray can. Then dry this and clean the remaining part of the funnel. Eliminate the remaining paint residues. Subsequently, flush the pump once more. If the rinse thinner is almost clear again, the pump is clean. Simply dry all items and position a cup on the tray. Ensure to leave a thin layer of thinner in the funnel to prevent it from drying out completely.